6:30 in the morning, sunrise. Amazing. Happy Monday. Gotta get stuff done. Really gotta get stuff done. I just woke up. I don't know if you can hear that, but there's a helicopter somewhere. I gotta see if I can see it. I can't hear it. There's a helicopter out there somewhere. I'm gonna go find it. Why would there be a helicopter? Oh, I can see. See those little windmills out there? Can you hear them? It sounds like a helicopter. It's really annoying and really confusing. But now I'm up and I'm in a lousy mood. I'm gonna go for a run. The hail beat me. If you've seen this vlog before, remember like this time last year, I was battling this hill and I beat it. I got to a point where I could beat it. Not today. So to report, the run is great. I ran out of gas. I'm a long ways from home. I'm gonna head home now. And I'm not grumpy anymore. I'm fine. Stay positive. Back to the house. That was 8.53K, not record-setting time or nothing. I'm out of gas. The pace was horrendous. But it's done. I need a recovery snack. I got it. Perfect recovery. Not the perfect recovery snack. Last night's pizza. I know. Don't tell me. It's bad. That's good. If you're into Washington, MadHouse pizza, get it. You won't regret it. Oh, there's a slogan. This is really kind of how my day's been going. It's not that exciting. I've been doing some studying. Time to put her to, well, it's doing whatever it's doing. Are you done work? Oh. Wanna go see the sunshine?
Sure.
Okay. Wow. 8 o'clock at night. Sunset. We gotta do something with that bush. That's it for me. Sun up to sundown. We'll see you tomorrow.